Why do doomsday scenarios grab our attention so easily? Why does uncertainty make us so anxious? It all starts with how we're wired. From an evolutionary standpoint, our brains are built for one thing: survival. And that means spotting threats fast. When things feel uncertain, our brain sounds the alarm. This might be dangerous. Now add doomsday narratives, stories of global collapse, pandemics, or existential catastrophe, and the fear gets turned up to 11. These stories aren't just scary. They feel urgent, immediate, personal. It doesn't help that uncertainty itself is deeply uncomfortable. We all crave predictability and control. And when we don't have it, our minds spin up endless what-ifs, usually focusing on the worst possible outcomes. That's anxiety's fuel. Add in a few cognitive biases, and we're primed to believe the worst. A negativity bias makes bad news stick. The availability heuristic means vivid, dramatic images, like those in doomsday films, feel more likely. And confirmation bias? Once we start believing in a scary future, we mostly notice the stuff that supports it. It doesn't help that uncertainty itself is deeply uncomfortable. We all crave predictability and control. And when we don't have it, our minds spin up endless what-ifs, usually focusing on the worst possible outcomes. That's anxiety's fuel. Then there's the media. Doom grabs clicks. Sensational headlines spread fast, and algorithms feed us more of the same. Before we know it, we're living in a fear bubble, reinforced by our digital echo chambers. But it's not just about fear. These narratives touch something deeper: existential anxiety. They make us confront death, loss of meaning, and the idea that nothing we do matters. Ironically, for some, embracing a doomsday narrative can provide a sense of belonging to a group that shares similar fears and beliefs. Feeling overwhelmed by negative thoughts or doomsday fears? Here's how to take back control of your mind. Challenge negative thought patterns. Notice when you're catastrophizing and ask, is this thought based on fact or fear? Limit exposure to fear-driven media. Too much can distort your sense of reality. Focus on what you can control. Engage in activities that give you purpose, presence, and peace.